Hello. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be creating a look off of the James Charles palette. So to start off, guys, you guys know I have been really enjoying these 4-3 serums, and I'm using Reveal today. I'm gonna apply this to my face to add some moisture and some goodness. But my skin has been really enjoying these, and they are really affordable. So if you're looking to get a serum that isn't that expensive, you can always hop on Colourpop. And this smells phenomenal, guys. I have 4 of them. All 4 of them have different things that they do for your skin, and I've been really loving them. And they're small and portable, compact. I just throw them in my purse. Next, we are going to take my favorites because I like color correcting my eyelids, the LA Girl Pro.Conceal in Peach Corrector. And honestly, like, if you ever want to just go ahead and put this on, even under your eye bags or whatever, your baggage. This, like, literally, like, I can just put it on, at least with my skin color, my skin tone. I can pop it on and I look a lot more awake once I dabble this on my face. And then I take my Real Technique sponge and I just dabble it. I don't know why I'm using that word today that often. We're going to go ahead and take the color Love That. So right here, we're going to take the color Love That, and that's what we're going to start off at the outer edge of my eye. And I really want to focus this magenta purpley color on the outer edge of my eye. You'll see that I'm going to wing it out, and then I'm going to bring it down, but I'm also going to, in a little bit, start bringing it in for what's remaining of that purple. But you really just want to focus most of your purple in the back. So after we go ahead and put Love That on the eyes, we're going to go ahead and take a more fluffier brush, and we're going to take the color Pinkity Drinkity, which is this one right here, and we're going to soften the edges of our purple. Next, guys, we're going to go ahead and take MAC Pro Paint Pot in the color Soft Ochre, and I'm taking a small brush where I can detail in some work. I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease, but I'm not gonna go all the way. the next color we're gonna go ahead and take is called Playground. It's this vibrant blue right here. And that's what we're going to go ahead and put all over our lid. And you're gonna notice that when I add it onto my lid, I'm gonna blend it into the purple, and that is going to cause, once they blend, it to become a little bit darker where it blends and where they meet, creating that depth in the corner of my eye. And even though I cut the crease, I'm still gonna blend into it. I don't want a perfect cut crease because the cut crease was just to create the base for where I wanted the blue to go and for it to stand out as to why I put that base there. Trying to keep the colors as vibrant as possible and not blending them all together into the mesh, only where I want them to blend. So once you guys have that purple and blue on your top lid, you're gonna go ahead and work those two colors on your bottom lid as well to connect and finish the eye. On the outer edge of my under eye, I'm gonna go ahead and put Love That. And I'm taking it about a little bit more than halfway in, because I'm gonna go ahead and put the blue on the inner corner area of like my under eye, but I don't want that much. I mainly want to focus on the purple. After you add Love That, you're gonna go ahead and take Playground. Alright guys, so the next color that we're gonna go ahead and take is called Hello, and it is this really pretty light blue color. And this is what's going to add the brightness into our eyes and our inner corner as well. We're gonna go ahead and add some liner, and we're gonna add some mascara. So for liner, we're gonna go ahead and take the Colourpop liquid liner. I was just like looking at it like, does it have any special name? But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take the Colourpop liquid liner, and it's called Numero Uno. It's black. So eyeliner is done, and that was like the scariest thing in my life, because sometimes a look can look really nice, but I still pray to God that my wing liner looks good and it comes out good and it doesn't mess up the rest of my makeup. So we're gonna go ahead and take the Tarte Man Eater mascara, and that's what we're gonna put on our lashes today. So now that we're done with mascara, we're gonna go ahead and do our face. We're gonna go ahead and take my favorite so far right now at the moment, favorite drugstore, has been around for a few years. So the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in 128. After foundation, we're gonna go ahead and take Shape Tape. I have two colors here. I'm using light neutral and light sand. So I'm using light neutral for the majority of my face, and then I'm using light sand more of in the inner area of my eyes to brighten. So neutral to neutralize, and then light sand. Although now that I'm thinking about it, this has lightened up my face enough, so I think I'm just gonna stick with this one today. Concealer is on my face. Now to go ahead and set it with my favorites, Coty Airspun Loose Face Setting Powder. Alright, so we have set the face. Now we're gonna go ahead and do some contour or just bronzing up of the face. I don't really go ham on that. But we're gonna go ahead and take my IVY Beauty Handy Dandy palette, and we're gonna go ahead and bronze up the face with contour 1 and 2. I like to take a little bit of both, because contour 2 seems to be like a little bit warmer and this one's like a little bit more cool tone. So let's go ahead. Hopefully I didn't take too much. No. I'm definitely the kind of girl that likes a softer bronze. I don't like to be too rough with it, just because I am very comfortable with my skin, and it's taken me a lot to put more foundation on and on. Like before, I used to just want to do concealer and my eyes and my lips, which is like my favorite, my eyes and my lips. But I'm definitely growing into like the whole foundation thing, and I kind of just use bronzer to like add color to my skin, in the sense that when you put on foundation, sometimes your face just looks straight up like pale, and you just gotta add some depth to it. So next we're gonna go ahead and take another color from the palette, and we're gonna use it as my highlight. I'm gonna go ahead and take the color Face, which is this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and take this brush. It is definitely fluffy, but it has more of a straight edge. It's a brush that's supposed to be, it's called the Precision Foundation Brush, but since it does have that precise, like straight kind of pointing, it just sits perfectly on my cheeks or on my cheekbones to go ahead and add that highlight. Alright guys, so the face and the eyes are done. We're gonna go ahead and take a lippy stick from Colourpop. I didn't really know what kind of lip to go with this, so I ended up just sticking with a nude, and this color is called Oh Snap. If you guys ever have trouble putting these kinds of lipstick where you have these chunky lipstick and you're still not used to handling it and drawing your lips out with it, I definitely recommend these lippy sticks. They're definitely thinner, as you can see. They're thinner and they're long, so you can just kind of hold it from a distance, where instead of your like straight into your face with the smaller ones. Definitely recommend these. But that's on a little side note. But overall guys, this is the final look and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I had fun creating this look. I definitely have some more looks that I am going to go ahead and create with this palette. Look at all these colors, guys. I got plenty to show you. There's lots of art in this, so I'm gonna unleash it. Alright guys, so I hope you guys liked today's video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, comment, like, everything. Just go ham.